Good afternoon. It's about 2:30 Saturday afternoon, 6th of February 2010. Blizzard continues. It's been going since about 9:30 yesterday morning here in southern Maryland, Charles County. So we're looking at about 30 hours. I don't know how much snow we've got. I just know it's up to my knee. We've shoveled, as you can see, and it was coming down at one point probably close to 2 inches an hour. So it's quite an event. Just want to check in with you and let you see what's going on here in southern Maryland today. Visibility is not very good. Very heavy in the trees. I understand some of the areas in southern Maryland have lost power. I know for a fact that the Nanjemoy area, which is the western part of the county, has been without. But they seem to lose power if somebody sneezes the wrong way, so not sure what kind of an indication that is. We've been lucky. We've had power uninterrupted. Anyway, again, if you enjoy snow, you got to be having a great time. Stay safe, stay warm. Make sure you keep those cell phones charged so that if you do lose power, you do have the ability to communicate. And remember, you don't need to move this all in one day. It's going to be here for a while. They're talking about some more snow on Tuesday, so even if it's an inch, because this probably is not going to go much. Again, remember, you won't know what's going on out back if you don't get outside, so take the time, go out and walk around, look at the birds, look at the landscape, and just enjoy. Take care and hope everybody's safe.